Good evening and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a bit of a random B&M haul. Got a bit of everything in this lot, can't believe it. So myself and my friend popped over to B&M at the weekend, and it's a massive store over at Lakeside. It is huge. It's quite overwhelming. So I'm just looking at all the purchases I've made. Not a massive amount, but they are very odd. So we're sort of splitting into food, beauty, cleaning, home-ish. Where on earth do I start? Let's start with the food, I think. Boring basmati rice. My husband Alan absolutely loves this stuff. He's quite fussy when it comes to rice. And basmati rice, no less. So this is serves two as a side or one as a main, and it's 195 calories per serving, and that was 79 pence. So I think I bought 5 of those. I get an equivalent sort of thing like that from Aldi. Actually, this might have been 75p and Aldi's is 79. One was more expensive, but give or take a few pence. Matchmakers. You don't have to wait till Christmas in my house to buy these. I absolutely love mint matchmakers. 99 pence. That's not necessarily a cheap price in B&M. You can get them in a lot of shops, Poundland, Home Bargains. A lot of them do for 99p. But when I see them, I like to pick one up. Get through a lot of salad cream in our house as well. Mainly me on my salads. I'm not sure if this is a good price or not, actually. It's a pretty big one. 605 grams or 570 mil. Always go for the light, so not the extra light, because that doesn't taste as nice. 30% less fat, and in here you get 40% extra free. And that was £1.99, so I bought 2 of those. Actually, I do think that is quite a substantial bottle, so I think that was a pretty decent price. Alan absolutely loves Twiglets. Can't always find them, actually. They're sort of associated with Christmas. Anyway, in the Christmas presents, yes, they're out in B&M already, which I sort of refused to go down that aisle, but I needed the Twiglet, so I popped down there, picked up the Twiglet caddy for £1.99. I'll pop a picture of that on this way or that way now. I actually have worked out I didn't get a very good deal on these. Again, Alan's fave, WeetBix, 36, £3.39. Now I bought, if maybe you watched another haul, this size packaging in Tesco and I think it might have been Home Bargains or Pound Stretcher for £3. Anyway, I needed some, he loves them, bought 3 lots, so I've spent an extra £1. Don't mind a packet of crisps now and again. Got into these recently. I've never tried them until about the last 6 months ago. Crispy bacon wheat crunchies. Get 6 packets in here for £1. Packets aren't massive, 20 grams, and they are 99 calories for a pack, so they're great for a little snack. And then I spotted these. I've never seen these before. Some bites, yes, I've tried a few of the other flavours. There's a sweet chilli one, I think, and a sour cream and black peppercorn, which is lovely. But I saw this, honey glazed barbecue. 6 packs for £1. Thought I'd give these a go. These are pretty decent calorie-wise as well. Slightly bigger packets than the wheat crunches. You get 25 grams in here. 118 calories, so crisp on crisp, they're about the same. Quite a fan of Parmesan cheese, not necessarily fresh. Don't mind the grated stuff. They call this grated cheese. It's not called Parmesan, but I always call it Parmesan. This is a good brand. Napoleon. 59 pence. Great to have in the cupboard because it lasts for absolutely ages. In fact, the best before end date is April 2020. Obviously, once it's opened, it doesn't last as long. But this is great just to have in the cupboard when you run out of grated cheese. We just need a little sprinkling on some pasta. A bit of tomato soup or chopped tomatoes on toast. There's quite a few things you can add this to. It's lovely. I've never seen these before. clearly seen them separately, but not in a variety bag. 16 packets. That is a serious amount of snackage. Right, so what we've got in here, we've got 6 Maryland cookie minis, double chocolate, 6 packets, this is not just cookies, 6 Maryland minis, just chocolate chips, and then 4 lots of mini jammy dodgers, not jammy dodgers. $1.99. That is a really good value pack. Great for a few little lunchbox snacks, or maybe mid-morning, 11s, or even mid-afternoon with a cup of tea. So $1.99, that is an absolute bargain. I'm very impressed with that, and clearly enough that I bought some. A few smellies next. The saga continues with the Freshmatic Air Wick sprays. Sticking to these. I covered it on another video before. I tried to buy a non-branded one, swap the nozzles over on the top, had a disaster, made an absolute mess of my bathroom. So I'm going to stick to the proper brand now, which is Airwick. This is my favourite. It's linen in the air, and it's a cross between, or a mixture of, fresh apple, like green apples, Granny Smiths, and a bit of linen. It's a really fresh, lovely, crisp linen. We've got quite a lot of laminate flooring in our house, so I do have a special, well, it's not special, but a wood floor cleaner. Can't always be bothered to get the old mop out, so I am a bit of a fan of wipes. I know not everybody's into wipes anymore because of the environmental issue with them, but I do grab a pack now and again, I have to say. So I've got some of these. I've had these before from B&M, and these are only £1, 24 wipes, and they are wood and laminate floor cleaning wipes. They are really big, really good value. Shower gels. Look at the size of these whoppers. Now, I've not seen this one for quite a while. This used to be my favourite. I had this one before from Poundland. Same price, £1. Absolutely lovely. It's imperial leather, mango and papaya, and you still get the 60% free. This has been going for quite some months. That is just such a lovely, fresh, clean, fruity smell. Absolutely love that stuff. Original sauce. This is not for me. I have mentioned on another video. This can be a little bit too painful for ladies to be using. It's very nice for men. My husband Alan absolutely loves it. He finds it very refreshing. He uses it on his face as well. He's fine with it on his face. So this is the Tingly Mint and Tea Tree. Has an absolutely lovely fresh fragrance to it. Very minty. It smells a little bit like chewing gum, to be honest. This from B&M is an absolute bargain. It is $1.50 and you get 500 ml in there. That is a whopping great big bottle. I've covered this on a haul in Home Bargains. Not seen it in B&M before. This is the shampoo that I use. $6.99. It's Bedhead, TG Bedhead. It's a lot more expensive if you buy it from their website or from, I don't think Boots stock it, but other good stockists. You do pay at least $9.99. I think the first lot I bought was $12.99. Anyway, in B&M they have the shampoo. I've already got plenty of conditioner, so I need more shampoo. $6.99. Absolute bargain. A couple of packs of Ibuprofen. Apparently, not sure if you're aware of this, because of the whole Brexit thing, not going to be talking too much about that, everybody's going crazy for paracetamol. The shops are bare. Wherever I went at the weekend to find some of the old cheap paracetamol, they were empty. People are going crazy for them. So if you're a paracetamol fan, you need to stock up quick. I've actually gone for ibuprofen. I've got a real bad problem at the minute with something on my forearm. I've had it for about 3 weeks. Honestly, I feel now I'm getting, what am I now, 43. My health is having a few issues. But yeah, I've got a really sore bit there and ibuprofen really helps with it. So I've got the tablets. And then I also bought some ibuprofen gel. Now I've had some of the Voltarol gel from Boots, which is probably about $12.99 and over the counter. So I would imagine this stuff's not as strong, but this was £1.49. So, you know, I can put twice as much on for a lot less price. This has got 5%, whatever the active ingredients are. It's an absolutely massive tube. Look at that. So I've not tried it yet, but I'll give that a go, and hopefully that will help with my sore forearm. Whacking great big item here. This is a very, very good value. This is the Comfort Fabric Softener. 5 litres, $3.99. This is really, really good value. It's quite heavy, as you can see. I love Comfort Softener. Oh, it's very gentle. It's great. Our dog has quite sensitive skin, so her bed linen needs to be washed in baby stuff. So this is very nice. And we have quite a lot of people stay who have got sensitive skin. So we need non-bio washing liquid and then a very gentle fabric softener. And then this caught my eye. Whoop! I actually was in the market for a new set of bed linen because my last lot from the range, which was rather expensive, not quite sure how, it ended up getting a lot of bleach on it. There's a little bit of a debate about who got the bleach on it. I think it might have been my cleaners, but nevertheless, they've been very good about it. Blah blah blah, it's sorted, no problem. So I needed a replacement, went into the range to buy a replacement, no longer in stock. They only had the end of like clearance lines in it, double super king, as is a king. So I thought, well, I'm not going to get that one. And then this, look at this, £12 for a king size duvet cover and 2 pillowcases. Not sure if it'll be any good, but we'll give it a go. It's sort of this nice grey colour. It's a bit shiny and it's got a bit of a padded bit here. So the idea is with that, I've got quite a lot of cushions that go on the top. So I'm happy to have something plain underneath. I'll tart it up a bit underneath with the bed sheet and the other pillowcases. I'll get something a bit brighter, maybe a lighter grey. I won't necessarily put black with that. I think lighter grey. I've got some lighter grey colours. And then, like I say, on the top, put a load of different cushions to tart it up. £12. Absolute bargain. Feels nice and soft. I don't think it will need a massive amount of ironing either, which is an absolute bonus. B&M makeup. Never seen the B&M makeup before. I've never spotted it. Anyway, so I thought I'd try a couple of items. First being banana powder. So I've seen a lot of stuff, a lot of YouTube videos about banana powder, how you sort of use it. It's a loose powder that you put on your makeup, I think, to set it, but only in certain areas. I think it might be where your area is a little bit shinier, or under the old eyes where people like to put a lot of concealer and different products. I did have a little play around with it in the shop. It was very, very soft, and once I put it on my skin, it did sort of blend in well. In fact, let's get it out and have a look. So this is the W7 range, which quite a few different shops stock, and it's got like a plastic protector on the top with some little I don't know if I dare get this out. Whoa. Right, did you see the steam? Well, it's not steam, it's powder. Okay, right, I've got to be really careful with this. Can you see it flying around? So it's like, oh, it's very soft. It's like talc. It's a slightly yellow, lemony powder. God, that's really pigmented. Look at that. Let's put a bit of my hand. Well, clearly you're not going to put as much as that on your face, but just pick a little bit up. It really, oh wow, look at that. Right, okay, you can't really see that. So where my hand is very shiny, and then I've put that on the top and it's stopped all the shine. Let's see if I put a bit on my nose. You have to be careful. You don't want to be looking like you've been snorting cocaine. So let's just blend that in a bit. It's probably not the right brush to be doing that with, but you can see it flying around everywhere. But yeah, you can see that's taken the shine off the end of my nose, which is fantastic. So it has got a top in it. I'm getting it everywhere here. That's got little holes in. Tap a bit into there. Get your brush, give it a swirl. There you go. Oh yeah, that's nice. Just sort of takes a little bit of shine off the face. So very reasonable, $2.99. I know you can get the translucent powders in different shades. I'm not sure if banana powders only come in yellow or whether you can get them in slightly green or white as well, but I'll give that a go for $2.99. I'm also in the market for a new mascara. I saw actually on Grace McKenna's YouTube channel. I've never ever thought of this and I don't know why. Whenever I get a mascara out, I always wear it top and bottom. Bottom and top. Bottom being the area that I don't want to be losing too much mascara because of rubbing or eyes watering or whatever. I've never ever thought of using two separate mascaras. What a fantastic and simple tip. So from now on I shall be using my normal waterproof on the bottom, but I'm going to have a little play around with mascaras on the top. So much so I've bought this. This is another W7. It's called Eye Lust. Now I'm very fussy when it comes to mascara brushes. I like a big bushy brush. And this does not disappoint. Look at that whopper. So that was $1.99. It's not waterproof, but again, I don't mind on the top as long as the bottom is. So I'm really looking forward to giving that a try because I like a big bushy brush. And then a little eyeshadow palette from the W7 range again. This is just nudes, $2.99. Let's get it open. I've decided I'm going to start wearing eyeshadow a bit more again. I stopped wearing it for such a long time. I've got a little smidge on today. I used to wear it every day and then for about a year I stopped. So I'm going to get back into it again. So this is just a lovely little nude palette. Very nice little applicator. And you've just got 4 shades there. Sort of a creamy colour there. Very nudey neutral there. Obviously the name of nude gives you an idea what the colour's going to be. That is more, I don't know, would you call that a bit of a fawn colour? And then maybe a darker nude. But I think that's a really, really nice set for $2.99. So that's it. That's B&M done. Quite, like I said, a bit of a mixed bag. I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you so much if you've already subscribed to my channel. If you'd not, I'd love it if you wanted to. You only have to hit the little button down below. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't get any spam mail or anything like that. But for us YouTubers, it means a heck of a lot if you get subscribers. I need more subscribers for the channel to grow. I'm going to be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway very soon. I need to film that video. I've got a couple of ideas what I'm doing. I've started getting a load of the goodies for it. I've got a massive great big basket full, but I need to sort of think around how I'm going to promote it. Anyway, that's it for now. It'd be great if you wanted to give me a thumbs up or a like, a thumbs up or a like, or give me a comment, and I'll try to get back to you. I do try to respond to everybody's comments. So thank you for watching, and I'll hopefully see you again on another video soon. Bye for now.